Hi guys and welcome back. It's been a while, but we have a great topic today. Now, I had someone ask me if Igbo women like marrying people from other cultures, and I want to talk about it in this video and also talk about Igbo men as well, if they like marrying from other cultures. Now, disclaimer, obviously, it's just me. I'm not a woman and a man at the same time. I'm just a woman and I'm not many people in one. So this is just based on what I've seen of other people, okay? Now, let me talk about myself first of all. Like for me, I'm actually open to, being married to people of different cultures because it depends on the individual. It's about your personality, your values, and many more, not about where you're from. If we can click and understand certain jokes and all, I think I'll be fine. But on the other hand, I know I really love my culture and my language and food, so I'm not even sure how I would cope if I can't speak Igbo to my husband, unless he's willing to learn and willing to eat the food that I cook. So, yeah, I don't think I can. I think I have to marry an Igbo person. Okay, from what I've seen, especially here in the UK, I've seen a lot of black, or let me say Nigerian men being married to women from other cultures and tribes, and of course, countries and continents. Coming down to Igbo men, I've seen Igbo men who are married to Yoruba women, Igbo men who are married to British women, and some abroad married to American women. So not just black Americans, but white Americans as well. So I can say that yes, I have seen that our Igbo men are open to being married to foreign women. Now, let's bring it down to the other side. Are women, Igbo women, are we open to being married to foreigners? I would say that I barely see Igbo women, actually, if I'm being honest now, who are married to foreign men. I've seen some who are married to Yoruba men or men from other cultures in Nigeria. I've seen, to be honest, I've seen probably 2 or 3, that's it, that are married to foreigners, but mostly they are married to Igbo men. Mostly, yes. I've also seen Nigerian women who are from other tribes and cultures be married to foreigners, white men, Indian, and all that, and also blacks from other countries. So, based on this few that I've seen, I would say that our Igbo men are more likely to get married to foreign women than our Igbo women are to be married to foreign men. But can we generalize and say this is what it is? Because when it comes to being a woman, you're not the one that goes to the man to ask him to be your friend in terms of befriending you, have a relationship, or get married. No. You basically wait, right? And wait for the man to come to you. So it's also possible, or we can categorically say that because our hands are tied, in quotes, if we had the chance to go up to men, we would go up to foreign men. Can we say that? If you're such a woman, leave in the comment section. Do you agree with this? If you had the chance, or if you were the one approaching men, would you approach more foreign men than Igbo men? Would you approach men from different cultures and tribes? Or would you only stick to Igbo men? Also, going from a documentary I saw, I think it was about some girls in China or South Korea. They were asking them about dating, what is like dating in South Korea. And the black girls were like, the Chinese guys or the Asian guys don't come to us. They basically go for white girls or Chinese girls or, South Korean girls, whatever the Asian country is. Dating in Asia for black women is a different life experience because on your own, you might think, oh, let me try and go up to that person. But most times we wait for them, especially if you have different values, if you have the traditional mentality. Like me, I might show you signs that I like you, but I'm not going to come up to you and ask you out directly. So that was the case. However, Chinese men, Asian men, South Korean men, they're not really open either to dating blacks from what I've seen and from that documentary. But you would see many black men with Chinese girls, with South Korean girls, with white girls out there in Asia. So just to add points to what I'm saying, men are more likely to date foreign women than women are for foreign men. When it comes to values and what we want in a man, we see it more in our Igbo men and in our black men. While the black men or the Igbo men want a woman that will, be submissive and doesn't really shout. They say we are loud and we make noise, while the white women don't make noise and not loud. But then we are the ones that cook and clean and are submissive. The white women aren't. So when you go to them, are you the one that now cleans house for them and sorts them out? Like, it's just double standards. It's just, I don't know. But that's not the topic for today. That's not the topic for today. Anyway, I think I'll end it here. I hope the person requesting for this video have answered your question. Let me know, guys, if you think otherwise or if you have any other points to make. And I'll see you next time. Bye.